Hello guys! Welcome back to Elijah's channel. Ayan guys, dumating na yung ating pinakahihintay na package from Canada. Ayan guys, mag-unboxing tayo ngayon ha. Titingnan natin kung ano tong laman ng pinadala ni Tita Vidge at saka ni Tito Erwin. Naku, balot na balot. Ayan. Ayan.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ito sweater or cardigan. And guys. Thank you. Ito naman ay yung t-shirt na Lacoste. Oh, di ba? Meron pa, guys. Ito pa. Another one. Thank you. And yung isa. Sombrero, o, di ba? Pwede na ba? Nice, no? Ito, yung pinakahuli, ito. Ayan. Tatlong t-shirt, isang palo, and then yung cardigan. Thank you, thank you! Tita Vidge, Tito Erwin, salamat! Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Elijah's channel. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.